One of the most active subscribers of the Abroad Experience platform has a very good question about Greece. And I'll ask you this question: if you're in Greece, is Greece a good place to live in or a bad one? Now, if you are not in Greece, just watch and consider subscribing to this channel. And it's interesting how different places have different reviews from different people. Now, you see, I'm somewhere known as Omonia. There's a very beautiful fountain back there. This is a square, and the cars are moving around. A very beautiful place. Apparently, views from different perspectives will tell you that Omonia is one of those dangerous places to be. And you tell someone you are in Omonia and they will ask you, whoa, you went to Omonia? What did you go to do there? But it's beautiful. And this happens to be the same case with other places that you may be or may have to go. You are going to have different perspectives. I know already where you are. There are some places that you know could be bad, but then other people are living there and they like it there. So it's interesting. That's life. It's interesting. And in this square, mostly we have so many people sitting around, and I was thinking of maybe taking a challenge and asking them questions about living in Greece. Maybe I'll do it sometime in the future if I find some people here, or maybe somewhere else. But then for those people who are watching this and you live in Greece, please leave us a comment. What has been your experience? And let's see if people are going to have a better view, a better understanding, a better perspective about Greece, if they are considering coming to Greece, either to visit or to stay. So let's see, let's just do it. And please, if you're new on this channel and you have a question to ask, it will be very great to read it from you. If you have any comment that you want to make about the channel, bring ideas, that would be very great as we get to experience different places on this beautiful planet of ours. This is Greece. It's beautiful, and let's find out from the people who are watching, is it good to live in or is it bad? See you on the next one.